Hello everyone, this is Rob Telsa Vlogs. Welcome to my channel. This is my DIY mini Christmas tree. This is another setup of Christmas decoration. Look at here. This one is a mini Christmas tree. This is made from empty bottles of wine. The empty bottles is decorated with 3 pieces of garland. I twined it the 3 pieces of the Christmas garland. So from the top, I just fix it into the top of the bottle, the 3 garland, and just wrap around like this. And I fix here on the top. This is the cones of the egg tray, 5 pieces or 6 pieces. Fix it with the glue and sprinkle it with glitters. First, I rub this one or brush with the glue, white glue, and the glitters, and attach with the stars. And I fixed this one. I just decorated with the battery operated lights. This one, it is just a plain color because the garland is already colorful, and I put some small pieces of Christmas balls. And here I have some renders to add beauty: the white, the green, another green, and red. So I just put the eyes as a crystal and some stars on the body. And here, this one, the base is a chair, is a stool. I just covered with a tablecloth with the design a Christmas bell. Look at here. And I wrap and I decorated here around with this uh, shiny golden cloth. And I put here 1 flower, 2 balls, and Christmas words, Christmas and stars. And this is a pine cones with the golden glitters. So this is another setup of Christmas decoration. Very simple. I just put here inside my bedroom, and this is how to create a very simple Christmas decoration for your bedroom or for your interior decoration. So thank you for watching this DIY mini Christmas tree. This is an indoor Christmas decoration that you can put inside your bedroom or in the corner of your house. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. God bless everyone and have a nice day. Be healthy and keep safe, everyone. Maraming salamat. Auf Wiedersehen. Resto puli, daghang salamat. Shukran, shukriya, merci beaucoup. Shukran. Vielen Dank. This is Rob Telsa Vlogs right here in Switzerland. Maayong Pasko ug manigong bagong taon sa lahat ng mga supporters and my viewers and subscribers to my channel.